Hi there, today we're gonna talk about a video usually seen online and shared a billion of times. The video usually has a knife and a fruit, usually an apple, which scratches the surface, and you'll see a level of wax taken off the fruit. Now that wax isn't naturally occurring on the fruit, but usually, let me clear one point, the fruit, this is just harvested, on its own is covered in wax. Let me show you. As you can see, it is all covered. This isn't dust, this is a wax byproduct from the tree to protect the fruit from over ripening early and everything. This wax helps a lot the fruit. When you harvest it, it won't over ripen immediately. If I keep polishing it away, it will open up the pores and it will get over ripe immediately. So what happens? We harvest, for example, these cherry plums, and we have a mass production. So we imagine we have a large field with cherry plants. We harvest them and we take them to the factory to be sorted out and sold in cases like these, or even singles. So what they do first they wash them. So if you just sin, I can remove it even with my finger, which isn't washing, we can't call that washing. But some fruits have a thicker layer, for example apples, even aubergine have some. So what do? They wash it with a luke water, some warm luke water, usually it isn't much degrees, and it removes this natural layer of wax. So that means when we removed it, we have shortened its lifespan on the shelf. So obviously we have to take a precaution from this. So the first thing we do is we just spray them with Arnauba wax and shellac wax. It's a natural product, you can eat it, and there is no problem with it. So when we see people scrubbing away and getting off layers, obviously that the wax cannot be applied as thinly as Mother Nature does, but we come close enough. It doesn't hurt you to eat it. In fact, we can eat these with the wax on them. Usually I do. I just wash them a bit, rinse them a bit from any pollutants and dust, but the rest is easily done. As you can see, there is visually a large difference from a fruit like this. As you can see, it becomes very polished and shiny, but the lifespan is very short. And remember, not all you see on YouTube or the internet is real, and there is a bit of misinformation. Always inform yourselves and find some reliable sources. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.